Dave here with KSM Music. I'm going to really quickly run you through our new 5-in-line bolt pattern installation. 5-in-line right there. Our first model had a 3-in-line and 2 offset. This one right here, see the 3-in-line and the 2 offset bolts there. That was just for fresh mounting holes, but we're going to slap this one on today and we're going to have you watch. Check it out. And there you have it, the nice, simple, quick installation of the new 5-in-line bolt pattern for the KSM Foundation Bridge. If you have other questions for the full intonation and action adjustment, we have a lot of other videos on our channel that walk through every aspect of that install. So check it out, and if you have other questions, give us a call and we'll see you next time.